Good afternoon, everybody. Had a APC XS-900 that went bad. It would just constantly click. It's a known problem. A capacitor goes out inside. Now ordered a new surface mount capacitor. Resoldered it. So now the green light's on instead of it clicking all the time. And we will go to battery. And it's working with no issues now. If you have any questions, just post them below. I'm going to attach some pictures to this video and a part number. But please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And here's the Newark SKU number for the capacitor, 70A H0874. And you can see the specs on it. It's a surface mount. So we get that down the whole line. Yep. Like I said, if you have any questions, just post them below. UPS is running just fine. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.